He looks sick. Oh, he's nearly on the floor. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are making pizza. But not any pizza, Abby. What pizza are we making?
Halloween pizzas.
You want to speak up to the audience, please?
Halloween pizzas.
Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. She's very quiet, I know. As you can see in front of us, we have all the ingredients. Cheese, more cheese. There's a lot of cheese on this channel, haven't we? We've got the tools that we're going to be using. We got our Pizza Express pizza dough, flour, bit of tomato and herb sauce, and some pepperoni, and a knife, and some other bits and bobs. So we're going to make a Halloween pizza, both of us.
He's actually doing something.
We're going to tell you what we're going to make. What are you going to make?
A ghost.
A ghost?
Yeah.
And I don't know what I'm going to make, so we're just going to have to wait and see. Photo one.
What?
Ghost face. Do you know who that is? That's just because I told you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make the screen mask as a pizza. Let's go. Obviously it's not going to be white though, it's going to be
Red.
charcoal. Yeah. Let's go. Alright. Clean my table.
Yeah.
Good.
Your table.
My table. Kevin's table anymore. Andrew's table. I'm too weak. Screen face.
This is already pre-rolled, so you don't have to like roll it out yourself.
Just lazy. I'm going to want a big pizza, so I'm going to have to make a big scream head. Can I double layer it?
Just cut it in half and double layer it.
Have a double layered pizza, because I feel like that's too thick.
Really want to.
Is it so cold?
Because it's been in the fridge.
You're making me look stupid on a video.
No.
So what's the plan here then?
I'm just.
You're going to have to talk me through it, because I don't know how to make a pizza.
It's a pretty straightforward thing, to be honest.
I've never made a
Mine this
pizza.
way.
Arts and crafts class here, guys. I'm going to make the ghost face. Yeah, I know he's got a big mouth. Yes, perfect.
Are you going to cut it out?
I'm going to cut it, yeah.
Yeah, and then have your pepperoni around it.
I'm going to make his eyes and his mouth as pepperoni. Oh, should I just cut his mouth
Yeah,
out for the
cut
pizza?
the mouth out and the eyes out and do the thing around it.
What's going to be around it?
Your sauce and your...
Yeah, I'm just going to make his face, yeah.
Yeah.
Does this puff up when we cook it?
Yeah.
Right, ghost head. I want him to look good, I want him to look realistic.
Not very artistic.
I am. You must be having a laugh.
I've already gone wrong.
Huh?
I said I've already gone wrong.
Not me, mate.
Gonna get a smaller knife.
Ghostface is looking sick. I'm actually really impressed with that cut. It actually looks like
That looks actually quite good, to be honest.
looks proper as well. I am an art. See, I did arts in school. I also did cooking, and I can't cook anymore. So I rely on everyone else to cook. What are you doing? I'm better at this than you. I hope I'm not cutting through to your dad's table here.
Surely not.
His head's more shaped like an alien, I think. I think his head's a bit. I need to sculpture him to do perfection. That's what Abby. You pestered me to do this.
No, I have not.
You know,
Mentioned it twice.
so what, like,
Should have gone for a pumpkin.
might look alright though once he's cooked. I need to imprint under his eyes to get his. I want to actually make his face shape as well. How on earth am I going to do that nose? Right, where's his mouth start? So around about here. Oh, this is so hard. His mouth's quite big. His little nose is there, I'd say. His little nose will be there. His mouth will be starting here.
So serious.
I want this to look good. The pizza's gonna be tiny. Unless I put a roller on his mouth.
We can make mini pizzas, so you have one to eat.
Cough all over it. There's his mouth. Seems a bit It's alright. It's alright. I'm gonna roll it a bit. Hey, this is looking decent. I'm seeing the shape. Now I got to get the other eye to match, and that's going to be very, very hard. Oh no, it's not. Oh, Andrew, you smart man. I'm going to use the one eye I cut out as a template.
Maybe someone could get so excited over pizza. There's not much pizza there at all.
That's why I'm going to like highlight it. I'm going to build it up so it's like big, like you will. His face sticks out by you, so I want to make it stick out.
Yeah.
I'm going to town on my what's ghost face. Like, that looks kind of right. So far, guys, I got the outline of my guy.
So far, he's winning.
We've got ghost face so far. I need to sort his chin out, it looks a bit funky. But, you know, he's going well. I'm just going to build his face up with some dough. No! And then get some tomato sauce on him, and then I'm going to make his nose out of a pepperoni. I have a good idea.
Man of many ideas here.
Yeah. I don't want to do it actually because I'm going to wreck it. Andrew's going to win. Abby's is going in the bin. Love the worry. Mr. Ghostface Shabba. Mr. Ghostface Shabba. Got egg on it. Oh, yeah, I got one.
Just use this one for this.
What should we put on? Cheese it. Cheese with ghost face.
I like a lot of cheese. A lot of cheese is going on.
You know how hard this is? I've got such an awkward shape. Finish him off. Cheese him up. So guys, just mind the toppings. Obviously he's not going to look 100% once he's been cooked, but as long as he's got the shape, he'll give you shape. Oh, cheese on it. I'm going to use the onion for the bottom of his chin. Right, that'll do my pizza there. I have no idea how this guy is going to turn out. How are we looking so far, Abs?
Alright.
Got your ghost. And there's my
Yours looks quite good.
ghost face.
So I've put them in the oven now. And just wait for them to cook.
Ghost face is in there, bubbling away. And then ghost tentacles is next to it.
Oh, he looks cool. Looks like a melted welly, but he looks cool.
You're gonna break his chin! Oh, I'm flying around now. Well, on my foot. That'd been an A&E job. He looks sick. He looks sick. Oh, he's nearly on the floor.
So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed us making the pizza. Please give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.